love you, anak. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, baby!
Mahal na mahal ka namin. Naiyak ako. Love you, baby. Naiyak ako. Happy birthday para sa'yo lahat. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Sana nag-enjoy ka sa simpleng ano namin.
Hindi siya nag-enjoy, nag-iyak nga siya, kawawa nga. Eh. Sorry na, be heal our inner child. Gusto namin ma-experience mo first birthday mo. Thank you, anak. Love you, Dior.
Ayan, hello. Hi, Dior! Happy, happy birthday! And ngayon, nung dati, binalot-balot ka lang namin. Every month, pupunta ka sa amin para magpa-picture. At ngayon, 12 months ka na. Di ba? Ang bilis ng panahon. At happy, happy birthday to you. Sana lagi ka na sa tagig. Pa-picture-picture tayo lagi. And humiling ka na, nasundan ka na kaagad. Charot. Happy birthday, Dior! Ah, nice.
Ayan. Hi Dior, this is Kuya Josh. This is Auntie Mikey. We're from your Tony Talks family. We wish you a very very happy and blessed birthday, baby. So ikaw Auntie, ano message mo? Hi Dior. Love you. Thank you Dior. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi! Hi, baby Dior! Happy, happy birthday! I'm wishing you the most wonderful and healthy upbringing. Huh? I hope that you have a wonderful time growing up with your ninangs and ninongs and your family, and I hope that you stay healthy and safe. So, happy first birthday! Bye!
Hi, Dior. Happy, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today. And sana paglaki mo, makilala mo pa kami. Yun lang, I wish you the best. Happy birthday ulit. Okay na to.
Hello, Dior. Happy birthday. Yun lang. Thank you.
Ano to?
Teka lang.
Paano ba yan?
Yan, go!
Happy birthday, Apo Dior. I hope you grow kumbaga, so talino. Ingat palagi ha, maging lumaking mabait at sumunod sa mga magulang. Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dior.
Happy birthday, dear.
Okay.
Birthday Dior. God bless.
Kenen?
Sabihin po dito.
Hello, Dior. Happy birthday. Yung wish namin sa'yo is sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang. Love you.
Hello Dior. I love you Dior. Happy birthday, mahal kong apo. God bless.
Hi, Dior! Kasi alam mo naman ako eh. 4'11 lang ako. Hi, Dior! Happy birthday! God bless, bebe! Okay, hi! Hi, baby Dior! Huwag ka maingay. Nag-message na ako. Hi! Happy birthday, baby Dior! Ano ba sasabihin ko? Baby Dior! I hope that you have a wonderful birthday and that you have a very healthy upbringing. Huh? Upbringing. Mamaya na nga lang ako. Bye.
Hi, Dior. Happy birthday. Happy first birthday, baby Dior. Love you.
Yan, I can adjust. Hi Dior, happy first birthday. I hope you have a great time. I know in the future you're gonna watch and hear this. So I'm your Ninang Laris. I'm happy to be your Ninang. I hope you will grow up
na healthy, and of course, good boy. Your parents love you so much, and you're such a blessing to everyone. I love you. Happy first birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Dior!
Ayun na. Dior! Happy birthday!
Hindi ko naman dito. Nakakaya ka na.
Sorry. Happy birthday, Dior!
Happy birthday, Dior!
Happy birthday, Dior. Ah, that's how you do it.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ano, sana lumaki kang tama. Huwag kang magmana kay Jackie. Thank you.
Uy, ba't ako? Lalaki man yun. Ikaw.
Sana hindi ka matulad kay Ashley. Ayun lang.
Dior, sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos. Tsaka, sana maging mabait ka kila Tita Cha and Tito Denzel. Yun lang.
Hi, Dior. Happy birthday. See you soon. Ingat ka lagi.
Yan.
Happy birthday, Dior!
Nandito lang kami palagi. Nandito lang kami sa inyo ni Cha, ni Dens. Dito lang kami. Bye-bye.
Nandito lang kami nakasuporta sa inyong vlogger. Ay, sa'yo.
Ayan na, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Dior.
Thank you. Papalo ko na.
Thank you!
Bukit ng ina.
Thank you!
Bukit ng ina.